Good morning, my lovely followers. Karen Eichen here. Nice to see you here. I'm glad we are kind of getting a little group of people following. And today we're going to be just talking about some different alterations that you can get in your door, like collecting alterations from different dry cleaners and things. And their alterations are totally different than what comes in my door most of the time. So a lot of times I have a lot of bridal dresses or mother of the bride and things like that. But from time to time, I do take in other work. And today I'm just going to kind of go through, I picked up a load from the dry cleaners. And I'm just going to show you a portion of it and just the different types of things that you can get in your door. So you just never know what you're going to get, right? So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of show you. So today we have this one. So this is shortened sleeves on this jacket. So I'll be shortening the sleeves on this one. And it just kind of says, they have their own little tag system. And it just says, you know, the number, what store it come from. And it says to shorten sleeves 1.5 inches. So that's what I'll be doing on this garment today. All this will be done today. And this one was, I think it was the pants. Let's see here. So it says to take waist in 2 inches. So I'll be taking the waist in 2 inches on this order. And you just never know what you're going to get in. It's just all different kinds of things. Sometimes it's a lot of repair. Sometimes it's a lot of zippers. And then this one is a 29 inseam, so that's what we'll be doing on that one. And then this dress is just kind of odd because we'll be taking in the sides, which they have the sides pinned so much. Look where they have the pin for the sides. Like, that's a lot to go from here to that much and then blend it in, right? And then, and the same thing on this side. So we'll do as much as we can, but I don't know about that much. That's quite a bit. And then they also want to have the zipper shortened up to here. And why, I have no idea. Maybe the zipper pulls when they have it on and they're going to wear it tight. I don't know, but that's what they want. And that's what we'll be doing. It's kind of a cute dress, you know. So that's what we'll be doing to that order. Now this one is a little bit different. This one is a little dress. And they want the sleeves pinned. Well, they have the sleeves pinned. They want the sleeves shortened. And they want them shortened all the way up here. Look how much. That's quite an awful lot. So then we have to shorten it. And then we also have to press the pleats back in, right? Kind of a cool sleeve. Look how wide it is. Pretty cool. So we have that to work on today. And then I have a number of other things, some other things that I've already done for them that are ready. This one was fix hole in back pocket. So we fixed the hole in the back pocket. It was all unraveled. And then this one, what do we do for them? This one, they had, this is a backpack, and they had a big tear, and this material really unravels a lot. So we had to sew it 2 or 3 times to overfold it so it wouldn't come unraveled again. So we had to stitch that. And then what else did we do for them? I think this other pant was, what was it? Oh, rehem. One of the hems was falling out, so we had to rehem it and stitch it. And then, you know, you always check the other one to make sure that's okay. So that's the things that are done. And then we have another big, huge order where it's actually for a musician. I can't say it correctly. But we're going to be tightening some buttons, and we're going to be replacing some lining in the armhole where it's all patched up, where he put some patches in there. Now it's very uncomfortable to wear. So we're going to be, you know, doing something with that. And then some other little things, excuse me. He has these little birds that he it puts in little pouches, right? And so instead of the snaps that are too hard to get open, we're going to replace those snaps with some Velcro. We're going to actually be cutting out 6 more bags in different colors for him. And we're also going to be, he has this big, huge velvet, like, quilt thing. And it's beautiful. And he's going to be doing a trick with that, and he's going to be putting some ducks in there. So we're going to be making some pockets for some ducks. So we've got to sew like 2 layers of like quilting together. And then on the inside, the 2 pieces that come together on the inside kind of go in there and make a big pocket, 2 big pockets, and sew them so you don't see the stitching on the outside, so it looks like it's not even there, right, on the outside. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge, but I think that we can do it because the when it's quilted together around the edges, the inside part is not. So I think we'll be able to, attach those 2 layers, bring them together. And then, so the outside layer you don't see the stitching. So it's going to be a little bit of a challenge today. So that's what my work is involved in today. So I thought I would go ahead and make a little video because this work I will probably be done with, by the end of the day. So I thought now would be a good time to, say hello to you guys. I don't get a chance to come on every single day like I want and like I used to, because I'm always busy, right? I'm always busy with appointments or fittings or something like that, or just the work, right? So I wanted to come on and say hi and say hello and just let you know really what I'm up to today. So I'm just up to working in my shop all day today. And then tomorrow too as well. So tomorrow I may have some appointments to tend to, but I'll try to make another video if I can. I want to keep this page and this channel going. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and put those in the comments below. Go ahead and like this video and share it with your friends if you want. And then you can also go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you like the content that I share here. So I'll be sharing more and more content as time goes on. And, sometimes it's a little tricky to try to get your customers to want to be on video, or your customers to want to have their garments on video, right? It may be for a wedding, or it may be for some upcoming event, and it's like, they really don't want anyone to see what they have, right? They want to, go there with a surprise, and, they don't want anyone from social media recognizing their garment, right? So I try to keep them a little bit protected in a way. But it's nice when you do get someone once in a while. It's like, yeah, you could take a picture of my dress, or you could, take a picture of the fitting, or, whatever else. But when I do come across people that are willing to do that, I will, share. And yeah, so I just wanted to send you guys some love today. And I'm dealing with a cold right now, so I'm trying to get back to full production here. Yeah, so I've been dealing with that for the last, I don't know, maybe 12 days or so. And so I just got my antibiotic yesterday, so I'm starting to get a little bit better and get a little bit of energy. So I wanted to say hi. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions about alterations, go ahead and put those in the comments below. I'd love to start, conversing with you and talking to you. And let me know what you guys are up to in your tailor shops. Let me know what you're doing, what you're making money on, and if your tailor shop is, not doing so well, and you need a way to kind of boost your income and reach out to me. I'd love to give you some tips on how you can boost your income in your tailor shop, and give you some pointers along the way, and help you too, okay? So thanks so much for watching this video. Again, my name was Karen, and I will talk to you all in the next video. So thanks for watching. Love you guys. Bye-bye.